This is how I cook my okra soup. This is my fish. I like steaming my fish or meat before using it to cook my food. I've done putting the spices. This is my fish. You can see the turmeric, the onion, and other things there. I like
This
using
is my
turmeric.
okra. I've washed it.
Yes. This is my washed okra. I'm slicing them. This is my fish.
This is me putting.
I'm putting crayfish,
Maggi, spices,
and other spices like Maggi. This is my green pepper.
This is green pepper.
I like the flavor of this green pepper. Now I am stirring it. After stirring it, I will just cover it and allow it to boil. After, I will use the water to cook my soup, so adding the remaining fish for it not to scatter in the pot. I have done with the steaming of the fish. This is me cutting the remaining okra.
I have finished cutting my
I've done cutting them all.
I finished cutting my okra.
This is me putting the water from the fish I've steamed. This is me putting African rosemary root. We call it okra or okra. This is my Maggi. I'm about to grind my crayfish, my washed crayfish. I'm putting the remaining washed crayfish to grind. Here I have done grinding them up. So I have done putting everything into my soup. The soup is on the fire, so wait for the next part. Bye.